Selecting an organizational structure requires careful evaluation of factors such as company size, industry, and cultural norms. Smaller companies might benefit from more flexible or informal structures like holacracy or agile models that allow for rapid decision-making and innovation. Conversely, larger organizations often more formalize hierarchies to maintain clarity and control over vast operations. The industry also plays a critical role. For instance, a tech startup may thrive under an agile structure to maintain competitive and response to the market demands, while a traditional manufacturing firm might benefit from a clear hierarchical framework to ensure operational efficiency. Additionally, the company's culture must align with the chosen structure. A culture emphasizing autonomy and creativity pairs well with decentralized models, whereas one focused on accountability and precision may favor for more traditional systems. The effectiveness of an organizational structure lies in its alignment with the company's strategic objectives. A mismatch between structure and strategy can hinder productivity and growth. For example, a company aiming for innovation and rapid market entry will benefit from flexible, adaptive structure such as agile or holacratic model. This structure encourages collaboration and speed, vital for such strategic goals. On the other hand, organizations focus on stability, scalability, or compliance may find traditional hierarchical systems more suitable. Aligning with goals also ensures that teams and departments are not working in silos but are instead organized to contribute effectively to overarching business objectives, creating synergy across the organization. Each organizational structure offers distinct advantages and drawbacks that must be carefully weighed. Flexible structures like holacracy and agile models empower employees, foster creativity, and respond swiftly to change but may suffer from confusion over roles, communication challenges, and implementation difficulties. Traditional hierarchical models, while offering clarity, defined roles, and proven structure for large organizations, can stifle creativity, adaptability, and fast-changing industries. Matrix structures, which combine aspects of functional and project-based systems, enhance collaboration but risk overcomplicating reporting lines and creating power struggles. Thus, companies must balance with the pros and cons of each model, tailoring their choice to best support their operational needs, workforce dynamic, and strategic vision.